Hi mates, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to draw on share screen in Zoom meetings, on your Zoom meetings. So how? Just make sure you watch this video all the way to the end and you'll learn how to do it. So first let's share our screen like this. Let's be without sound and without optimize for video clip. Just share it. So how to draw on your share screen? So click just here on annotate here, this pencil pen, I don't know what is it. So from here, as you can see, you can choose a mouse. Yeah, that's your mouse. You can choose only, you can choose to add the text like this. Soup for Dr. Nikki, like this. Also you can draw like that. Also you can type arrows like this. You can spotlight something. Yeah, his head, his legs. Also you can delete it with the erase like that. You can add the check marks like this, or hearts. You can add also, you can add stars. There's everything that you need. So yeah, cycles, even the rectangles. You can undo it, you can make it with another color, pink, black, I mean the black, yeah. You can clear it. Actually you can allow others to draw on your share screen. That's also function, but as you can see, it's only me in my meeting without friends. So yeah, that was it, how to. And if you want to clear all your drawings, just click here on clear and click on clear all drawings. So yeah, that was it, how to draw on share screen in Zoom meetings. If I helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some problems, if you have some questions, you can, don't be hesitant to leave them in the comments down below the video, and in a few days, maybe, who knows, I will try to answer on them and to help you. Yeah, that was it, and see you next video. Bye.